Alright guys, so today we're going to be moving these ugly things, the factory tail lights, and we're going to be replacing them thanks to Subi Speed with their Black Friday sale. Some OLMs. I already took one out. Here it is. We're going to be popping those in right there. So this is pretty simple. It's just a bunch of clips that you have to take off all around there. There are 3 clips, one there, and one over here to remove this piece, and then we got to take this one off as well. I'm sure you could just pry it back and you'll be able to get to the light, but to make life easier we're going to take the whole thing out. So let me pull those out and we'll take a look. Alright, so to get these out, pretty simple. These are like 2-part clips. These are 2-part clips. So you just pull the gray out first, and then the whole thing will come out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. I actually find it easier just to put my nail in and pull it out. See? Comes out pretty quick. Alright, and then we just play with this a bit. Yep. Spare parts. Alright, now we have the light exposed. As you can see, it's pretty simple. We have a bolt here, one there, looks like H, and another one hidden behind that plastic thing. So let me get those off. I'll disconnect all of these wires. These are just bulbs. Simple. Alright, now that we have the screws out, it should be as simple as, oh, yep, I just heard the seal. We should just be able to pop this off. Kind of hard to do this with one hand, but let's see. Yeah, grab from in here and pull towards the back of the car. There we go. So what holds it in is that little clip there. And if you can see the clip right there. So, alright guys, just like that, it's in. Looks so much better. We just gotta put our bolts back on, and the great thing, it's a direct plug and play. So everything from the factory, this will clip right in, no issues. Let me tighten this up and I'll get back to you. Alright, everything is plugged in and the light is in. A lot of work on that side. You see extra wiring on the back here because this is for the F1 light that I have connected, so that'll all remain the same. Let's pop this off, the factory harness, bolt, pull this off for now. We will have to find the line for the reverse, because on my F1 light there's a reverse feature, so this will need to be plugged into that reverse light. Okay, so once that's off, alright, so all the slugs have been disconnected. Now we just literally grab the light and pull it towards the back of the car. There you go. the lights out. Let me clean this up and we'll pop the new light in. See how that looks. There's the back of the factory. Pretty disgusting, needs a good cleaning. Can't wait to put the new one in. Here's our new OLM, and this is what the back of it looks like. Got some padding, resistors, wires, all that fun stuff, and there's the clip that goes, slides into that, but I need to clean this. Alright, the light is in. Again, fitment looks really good, need to tighten it up. Let's get to the inside. Gotta put our bolts in and connect up the factory harness to the light harness. Alright guys, nuts are in. Tighten it. Okay. And factory harness just plugs into the light harness like that. Now, you see all these wires here. This is from our F1 light, so ignore that. Gotta tape it back up and put it in a new location. But that is it. Lights are on. Now, before I put the trunk back together, let's take a look at the outside. Okay. There it is. Lights are on. Damn, that looks good. I'm gonna pull it out into the light so we can get a better look. All our panels and clips are on. These things are a bit of a pain in the ass to get back on, but that's just me. I'm just not as flexible. But I was wondering what that is. That's old school technology. That's my bazooka tube. Tiny, but does exactly what I need to do. So let's take a look at the lights. Close the trunk. Here it is, finished product. Extremely happy with how it came out. You pull it out of this messy garage and we'll get a full look at it. Alright guys, that's it. Take a look. Oh yeah. Oh, well, the alarm just went on, so there's a sneak peek at it. This is a full view of what it looks like. The car's dirty, so forget that. And it's raining, so as you can see, the indent from the panel comes all the way back through the lights. I like that. Brake. Park. Park and brake. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. As you can see, they came out excellent. Love the way they look. Shout out for Super Speed for their Black Friday deal. Got these for a great price. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one.